Question is the value of iota plus root 3 raised to power 100 plus iota minus root 3 raised to 100 plus 2 raised to 100 is 1, minus 1, 0 or 2. Out of the 4 options, 1 is correct. So we will see the solution here. Solution. We will see here iota plus root 3 raised to the power 100 plus iota minus root 3 raised to the power 100 plus 2 raised to the power 100. See, we will divide and multiply by iota this, so we get here iota square is minus 1 plus 3 root 3 upon iota, plus if we multiply this we get iota square minus 1 minus root 3 iota divided by iota raised to the power 100 plus 2 raised to power 100. Now see, we know omega is a cube root of unity. We will use the values here. Omega is the value of cube root of unity are 1, omega and omega square. Omega is minus 1 plus root 3 iota upon 2. Omega cube is minus 1 minus root 3 iota upon 2. So we will see here, we will take outside iota. So 1 upon iota raised to power 100, and here minus 1 plus root 3 iota upon 2 raised to the power 100. When we divide this we have to multiply by 2. So when we take out 2 we get 2 raised to power 100. Similarly 1 upon iota raised to power 100 taken outside, and minus 1 minus root 3 iota upon 2 raised to the power 100 into 2 raised to 100 plus 2 raised to power 100. Now see, iota raised to power 100 is iota square into 50. It is minus 1 raised to power 50, which is 1. So this will become 1, and 2 raised to the power 100 is taken outside, and this value is equal to omega. So omega 100 plus this is omega square raised to the power 100 plus 1. Now 2 raised to power 100. Now this can be written as omega cube raised to the power 33 into omega power 1. 99 plus 1 is 100, and here again omega cube omega raised to power 200. So this can be written as 3 into 99 into omega square plus 1. Now we know omega cube is 1. Here omega raised to the power 200 when we divide with 66 into 3 is 198. So we get here omega cube raised to the power 66, and this is 1. So 201 into 1 into omega plus 1 into omega square plus 1. 200 is equal to 1 plus omega square. Since 1 plus omega square is 0, So 2 raised to power 100 into 0, we get answer 0. So the correct option is third.